Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics, and quick update about what is or is not happening in the economy. Obviously, if you follow CNBC, Wall Street, the Federal Reserve, all you've been hearing about is how the economy is great, no cause for concern, raising interest rates, the whole thing is humming along. I've disputed that thoroughly for about as long as I've had this channel, which I guess maybe even goes back to 2012 or 2013, but it's been a while. I've seen this all as inflated by a lot of money printing, and that when interest rates rise, you would see the effects of the stimulus reversed, which now CNBC and other economists are starting to agree with. They see the Trump economy slowing drastically next year before a possible recession in 2020. Growth popped in this 2018, boosted by tax cuts. But without that, now they do not see a recession at 2020 at the earliest. I dispute that for, again, we've seen real estate markets slow down, seen the stock market get hammered. So far, the bond market has pretty much stayed in one piece, yet interesting. Here's another story. A $9 trillion corporate debt bomb is bubbling in the U.S. Companies are carrying $9 trillion debt load, posing a potential threat should rates continue to rise and the economy weaken. Well, we're getting ready for the Fed's December rate hike. Even despite what's happened, the currency crises that are happening elsewhere around the globe, the Fed says, hey, nothing to see here, which, again, is interesting. I think there's plenty to see there. And I mean, in some ways, it really doesn't matter what the Fed does, because they either raise interest rates and collapse these bubbles, because that means here's another $9 trillion of debt that is going to lose value as interest rates go up. And who holds the most of the debt? The banks, which means that the banks are going to be losing value as interest rates go up, which means there's going to be problems in the derivatives markets. And I mean, of course, that doesn't even factor in commercial loans, student loan debt, or all of these other massive bubbles that have been inflated and really have no way to be paid off. So again, back to the original idea that the Trump, I mean, I guess I never saw it as a booming economy. I saw the effects of money printing. But now that that printed money is being taken away, you can see that things are changing. It's not an accident that you've seen the stock market get clobbered recently. So in either case, something to keep an eye on. If you hit that subscribe button, which I'd highly recommend, I will keep you posted on this stuff going forward. Certainly fascinating times coming. So thanks again for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.